Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to watch YouTube TV on your phone. Whether you are using an iPhone or Android, this is a super simple process that only takes a couple of minutes. So let's get into it. Open the App Store or Play Store from your Android or iPhone. Search the YouTube TV and download and install and let it install on your device. If you already have an account, tap sign in. Enter your Google account info that's linked to your YouTube TV subscription. If you are new to YouTube TV, tap try it free or start free trial, choose your plan and follow the steps to subscribe. Once you are signed in, you will land on the home screen where you can browse live TV, record shows, and recommended contents. To watch something, tap a channel and or show thumbnail. Then hit play and enjoy. You can also use the search bar to find specific shows, channels, or movies. Use the library tab to see your saved shows and recordings. Use the live tab to see playing right now across all your channels. Tap the three dot menu and any show to add it to your library or set it to record. And that's it. Now you know how to watch YouTube TV right from your phone anytime, anywhere. In this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips.